Hello, X-Star Collection, and welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh box opening. Today we're doing the next two boxes of our Premium Gold El Dorado display box that we got. This is another like a bonus video for everyone, so I hope you enjoy this slightly older set. Let's crack this open. There'll be 8 packs in total. Let's get it open first. Come out. Oh, the bottom one's not going out. Do it this way instead. Oh god, this one is not behaving. So, that's pretty good pulls in the first one if you haven't seen it. If I remember, there'll be a card popping on the screen at some point in this video. Or more than likely, because I'm a forgetful sod. Don't forget to go and check it out. All I've done is smooth the packs all there, full. Well, that's all I left one in there, as I said, there's only 3 packs now. Scammed. It's going all over the place, sorry, one sec. Put down another recyclable pile. Up. Break either way. No. There we go. Let's get these ones out. I hope we can do a few more gold ones in the future. Budget wise and all sorts. I've got to say, what's they've got this box? Oh, I could 4, 5, 6 months ago. Just Sal Michelle. Righty-ho. So, any more packs? Here we go. It's getting on here. Even though the heat wave is well over, as far as I'm concerned. Well, as of filming, we've just come out of one. Anyway, we have the Weather Painter Rain. We have this Winter Weather Snow Canvas. Franklin's Weather Washer. Franklin's Druppies Golden Land Forever. We have Scrap Chimera and Torrential Tribute. That's a nice one to get. Torrential Tribute. Slot that in nicely. Oh, lovely. Next one. We've got all of our packs that we keep already. Don't worry about them. So we've got a Hot Red Dragon Archery and King Calamity, the Weather Painter, or Altergeist and Multi-Faker, Trap Trick, Dragunity Night Formulus, Tempest Dragon of All of the Storms, and the Gonstoff. Guess we've already got those 2, but oh well. It's always nice to get extra ones of these lovely cards, gold ones. They're nice and like textured. These ones are compared to the other gold ones that I've opened well in the past. I don't think we'll be able to get any of those sort of boxes now, but you never know. Cypher Lord Omega, Super Express Bullet Train, the Weather Rumour Canvas, Kotok Inverted. We have Prankrid's Bow Wow Bark. We have a Rocket Tracer and a Exilia the Black Awakening. It's Elixir. There we go. There's one and a rocket, a red rocket. Right. Oh, we'll do. Urgent schedule. Giant Rex. We have a Gunnamucha Knight. Franklin's Battle Butler. Ultimate Tolkien, Ultimate Conductor Tyranno, and an Invocation. I can remember when that was a money card. Out of one of the sets. I can't remember which one. I remember that was sat around like 90 quid for ages. I think I managed it because I pulled I think 2 or 3. One of my booster boxes. I think I sold 2 of them. I'd say when they were like £90 each. So Neuron Wall to start off. That's a new one. Nuon Calling, Super Express Bullet Train, Era, the Water Charmer. We have Code Talker Invoker. We have Rescue Cat and Regeki. That's a lovely one to get. Say some of the signature cards we are looking for are like Access Code Talker, Chamber Dragon Maid, IP Masquerina, Pot of Extravagance, and Predaplank Converter and a Conga. The top 5 hitters. Right, here we go. Code Talker, Giant Rex, Frank Crids, Eva, High Career on the Golden Land, Danger Bigfoot, and Mystic Mine. Can't wait for the Bigfoot. So the next new set's tactical something. I can't remember what it is. Well, look on my phone, which is good. So we'll definitely have a box of that ready to go as soon as it's out. Scrap Dragon, Zephrys Secret the Yang Zing, Accuser the Earth Charmer, Trap Trick, Eva, got loads of them. Destiny Hero Plasma, that's a nice one to get. And we have Fire Formation Tunky. Oh no, my sleeve. It's got to move. Oh, so number 1. And number 2. And so our last pack for this one. Okay. We have Cypher Lord Zeta, Inks Code Talker, Nuon Network, El Dorado, Atlantedo, Black Dragon, yeah, Cypher Lord Gear Mega. Remember that was quite a valuable card at one point. Pride Kids Place. And that is it for this one. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to push like button, leave a comment below, local, subscribe to the news channel, follow on Twitter and Instagram, of course. It's always down below. And as we say, have a nice lot of collection. I'll see you in the next yugioh box opening. Thanks for watching.